Let's be honest, your fridge is boring and those magnets from 2012 aren't helping. Come, let me show you how you can turn simple photos into adorable Polaroid magnets. It's cute, it's personal.
A few moments later.
It screams main character energy every time I reach for ice cream. And the best part, it's easier than finding what's at the back of the fridge. So, if your photos are just sitting there, maybe it's time to let them stick around for real. DM to order yours now.